Sir, you're familiar with the Estonian Defense Forces for almost 2 decades. So what's the impression about the soldiers here? Are those people still there who you met where you first came in, and they have just become older?
They've become older, but we've become great friends over 2 decades, and it's great to always visit Estonia and see the progress and thank the Estonians for their service with us on battlefields around the world.
So, what do you think about maybe Maryland National Guard unit participating in this exercise? The terrain is pretty familiar. I was there in '98, and right now I suppose even the climate is rather pleasant.
It's a pleasant day here today, and I'm enjoying this beautiful weather, probably better than what we have in Maryland. I'm sure that we're going to have units come and participate at the invitation of the Estonians, and we would look forward to that.